Welcome to day 15 of our 100-day manifestation challenge. Today, we'll focus on visualizing a life of prosperity and abundance. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel yourself relaxing, becoming present in this moment. Let's begin by setting a clear intention to visualize a prosperous life. In your mind, say, "I am ready to see my most abundant and prosperous self." Feel the power of this intention settling within you. Now, let's create a vivid mental picture of what prosperity looks like to you. Picture yourself living your dream life. What do you see? Are you living in your dream home, traveling the world, or thriving in your career? Visualize every detail clearly. See the wealth around you, the joy on your face, and the peace in your heart. Let's deepen this visualization by engaging all your senses. What does prosperity feel like? Feel the luxury, the comfort, and the security. What does it smell like? The scent of success, the freshness of abundance. What does it sound like? Hear the sounds of your life filled with abundance, laughter, calm, and celebration. Allow your senses to fully immerse you in this vision of a prosperous life. Now connect with the emotions that come with this life. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude for the abundance surrounding you. Allow yourself to experience the deep sense of peace and fulfillment that comes from living this prosperous life. Know that this is your reality, not just a dream. Let's affirm your vision with powerful statements. Repeat these silently or aloud. I am living a life of prosperity and abundance. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve and receive all the success and financial freedom I desire. My life is filled with joy, wealth, and opportunities. I am aligned with the energy of abundance in all areas of my life. Trust that your visualization is planting the seeds of prosperity in your life. Feel the alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and the reality you are manifesting. Know that as you visualize, you are drawing abundance closer to you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are one step closer to living your most prosperous life. Blessings are on your way. I'll see you tomorrow for day 16 as we continue our journey to manifesting abundance.